this morning. I have to get out, get my kids to school, and run a bunch of errands. My hair is day 3 of my wash cycle, so it's going up today, and we're just gonna do like a slick bun today because I don't have time to fuss around with anything. And I want it to last all the way till dance class tonight. So slick bun it is. Sometimes I get people telling me they wish they could do slick buns, but they think they look terrible with them. And I have to tell you that I feel like a slick back bun is something that you have to get used to. Because when I first started trying slick back buns, I hated them. I wanted to like them because I liked them on other people, but every time I would do them, I felt like I looked like a wet rat. But I think that's just our perception of ourselves, and we expect it to look different, or we're holding this vision of somebody else in our head when we kind of envision the hairstyle, and then we do it on ourselves, and we look like us, not them, and it feels wrong or off or weird or whatever. But most of the time, the style doesn't actually look bad. We just doesn't look like we expected in our head, and if you keep trying the style, you will actually get used to it and probably actually like it. Not for every style, but I realize now I don't think I ever looked bad in a slick back. I just wasn't used to the way I looked in a slick back. And that goes for any style that you're not used to. If you're not used to putting your hair up, if you're not used to wearing your hair curly, all kinds of things like that, you're probably going to struggle with the way it looks or be overly critical of the way it looks until you get used to the way it looks. So always ask yourself that when it comes to new hairstyles. Do you not like it because it looks bad or it looks weird like you feel like it does? Or is it just because it looks different than what you're used to? Because especially if you're someone who always wears your hair the same way. Do a little bit of my smooth stick here. Smooth everything down. This stuff really does keep the baby hairs down. I literally cannot rave about this stuff enough, but does not leave my hair feeling gross. Same with this, the smoothing balm. Great hold, great job at holding everything in place without leaving my hair feeling nasty and crunchy and me worrying about brushing it out at the end of the night that it's gonna break all my hair. There you go, all done. Took 4 minutes to do my hair this morning. Looks cute. Less than 10 minutes total, including my makeup, so just keep that in mind. It doesn't have to take long to get ready in the morning and to look cute if you keep it simple. Oil is all shampooed out. I'm gonna add a little bit of my leave-in before I blow dry. I just want to note to everybody, in case you haven't noticed, I typically do not let my hair air dry at all before I start to blow dry because that significantly reduces how much volume I can get. So I typically wash my hair, throw it up in a towel, and within 10 minutes I'm blow drying my hair. And I don't take it out of the towel until I'm ready to blow dry, because as soon as you take it out of the towel, it's going to start to dry faster because the air is going to get to it. So I leave it tightly wrapped up in a towel and start to blow dry it as quickly after coming out of the shower as I possibly can. A little of the Color Wow carb infused thickening serum today. There we go, blow dried. That's all I'm gonna do for you today because I am actually gonna go curl it now. For a video for you guys, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to get curls with the wand that I used a while back. So, but look at that volume. Look at that we get from this thickening spray. And again, not sponsored. I even bought this with my own money. They have not sponsored me. I can't even buy it from my wholesaler. I have to buy this one retail, but it is worth it. It is worth every penny, because look at that. Look at that. Yes. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Yesterday I filmed a curl tutorial for you guys. So my hair ended up curly. I completely forgot to wear my satin bonnet last night, so I'm unfortunately going to have to brush it a little bit. Dry shampoo it first. Hopefully we don't frizz it out too much. But I used the same wand I used last time I curled my hair, and these curls seem to last pretty well, even if they're brushed. So I'm hopeful. So that is all we're going to do with our hair for today, because it looks fantastic. So loving the curls, because they are just giving me fabulous multiple days of hair. And it's really tempting to curl my hair every single week, but that's a lot more heat that I want to use, so I'm going to have to resist that temptation. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is day 4 of the hair vlog, and we can see that the curls are still curling. I didn't wear a bonnet to bed last night, so the curls are a little crazy, and we're going to brush them, but that's okay. I did put dry shampoo in my hair before I went to bed last night. I should always do that, but I always forget. It is not a habit that I have developed at this point, even though you really should do your dry shampoo the night before. It works way better. But because I did that, my hair is not looking greasy this morning. But it's looking a little wild. So we are gonna put it up. I think I'm gonna go with a scrunchie today. I haven't yet used a scrunchie in a little while, so I'm gonna brush it all up. I don't want it tight, but because of all the dry shampoo and stuff in my hair, a little hard to rake it up with just my fingers and not have knots. So I'll use the brush at first, and then I'll go back and loosen it after. So we're going to do just our classic bun. Now, when I do a bun with curls, I do like some pieces to come out, because they're curly, and I think it looks cute. Pull that looser. I'm going to use a little smooth stick on the parts of my hair that I don't want the baby hairs to fall out. I really like using the smooth stick instead of like a wax stick or something, because I can lightly put it on really easily and lay down those hairs even when I'm doing a looser style, as opposed to with a wax stick you kind of need to apply a bit of pressure, so it's hard to keep it loose looking. So there we go. Actually turned out really cute. I'm actually really digging the way this bun turned out. Let me show you the back. So there we go. That's day 4 hair. Doing a little messy bun. I'll see you tomorrow. Morning, it is Friday. Today was hair wash day, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair and did my makeup, and now we are going to blow dry. We're gonna blow dry, and we're gonna use our brush today. I don't use this one a lot anymore because I actually really need a new one. A lot of the bristles, this is so gross, I haven't washed it in a while. A lot of the bristles have flattened out because it's quite old, it's quite used, and once the bristles start to bend and flatten, it doesn't do as good of a job anymore. It's time for a new one. So I don't use it a lot, but I'm gonna try and use it today because I'm feeling like some volume, extra volume. So we're gonna use the Color Wow Dream Cocktail Carb Infused Leave-In Thickening Treatment. It's like a thickening serum as opposed to a mousse. I use 4 pumps. This is definitely one of those products that less is not more. If you don't use enough, it's not gonna do anything. Alternatively, if you use too much, it will make your hair feel gross. So you really have to play around with it, see how it works for you. I started with 2 pumps. It wasn't enough. It didn't give me results. So then I did 3 pumps. Results were all right, but I still wasn't like blown away by it. So I decided to try 4. Worked great. 5, too much. 5, my hair felt dirty. I'm still gonna put my leave-in because it's got heat protection. So sometimes it's a little trial and error with products. That's okay, that's normal. Don't give up on something just because you don't love it the first time you try it. So we're just gonna rough dry most of the way with our regular blow dryer. All right, hair is definitely still damp. We don't wanna use our blow dryer on dry hair. That's a surefire way to cause heat damage. So make sure the hair is in fact wet because this is in fact a blow dryer, but it doesn't need to be soaking wet. There we go. I just love how much extra volume using the blow dry brush gives me. It really smooths out my hair really nicely too, gets rid of that little bit of frizz that's left behind if I just rough dry. There we go. That is day 5 done. Another week of hair vlogs for you guys so that you can see how I legitimately do my hair every single day. Nothing exciting, but very realistic and I think nice for the type of hair that we have, right? We want to be realistic. We also still want to feel like our hair is nice and pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and share my videos with your friends that have hair like us so that we can grow our DIY hair school family. And leave me a comment saying hey, because I'd love to hear from you guys. Bye guys.